Christopher's just tasted a fingertip of the insanity sauce.
Okay.
He's crying. He can't breathe.
You want some, Jake?
Okay. Now, on the fourth drumstick, as you can see, I'm sweating. The strange thing about it,
Look at the sweat.
the strange thing
It's
about
pouring
it is
off.
as I go near it, it kind of
You
my
inhale.
Lips, my lips are burning as I go near it, even actually tasting it.
Wait, you recording that or something?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
So, I think we better get the paramedics on standby. Christoph's gone.
The unfortunate thing is, I've got it on in my beard.
Yeah, you're going to have a good scrub. Because I'm not kissing you.
I'm stripping the bones. I'm doing this in proper style.
Yeah, the bones. There's not much left on there. You see the sweat. Look at the sweat. Oh, he's got chilli sauce on my face. That's going to burn.
The whole area on this table, apart from Nicky's wine, is contaminated.
That's why I got you some napkins out.
I'm on the third.
No, you're on number 4.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean third napkin?
Yeah, you're right. I'm on the.
You know, you're being delirious.
Yeah.
You've only got 3 left. Come on.
I'm writhing in my seat, burning. This.
Is it hot, dear?
Is the hottest sauce I've ever tasted.
I could have made it hotter. We need to save the rest of the sauce and we'll use it at a barbecue and make everybody think it's tomato. Yes, have some of this.
Here was the outline of his own theory, precise and clear. A scoop on his decades of work.
Look at him slurping.
His close friend, the eminent
Right.
biologist Charles Lyell.
We'll be back.
More than 2 years earlier,
See you later.